Hello everyone. Here I have the HP 11Z. In this video I'm going to show you how to upgrade to an SSD. And I thought about sharing my experience in upgrading to an SSD. Here I bought the Samsung 840 Pro. It's actually the fastest SSD that I came across. And it should be straightforward. You just need to first take out the battery. And then the cover should come. There are some notches in here that you need to push up from this side first. You can use actually a screwdriver or even your fingernails should be enough, and should come out easily, just like that. Alright. And here we have a full access to the HDD here, and you need to take out a couple screws, actually 4 of them. One, two. This notebook comes with a quad-core AMD A6 processor. There is another version which is the A4. It's slower but cheaper also. But and also it comes with the 2 USB 3 ports. And then the SATA port here is a SATA 3, I think, 6 gigabytes per second. So. Alright. It's very easy. Now you can take out this SATA 3 cable, and there are actually 4 more screws here. I've already backed up the cloned the C drive using the Samsung tool that comes with the SSD. It's called Samsung Migration Tool or something. It's very easy. You just need to hook up the SSD to an external drive enclosure and use the tool to clone the OS. Right here. Alright. Put the SSD now instead. I'm very interested in seeing how fast Windows 8 will boot up with this SSD. It's the fastest SSD I've ever seen before. It costs like $140. This is 128 gigabyte version. Just yeah. Alright. This last one. Yeah, reattach the SATA. It's very easy. I've also changed the wireless adapter. I used the Intel wireless adapter that comes with its dual band and also comes with the Bluetooth, because this notebook doesn't have a Bluetooth. The wireless chip that comes with it doesn't have a Bluetooth. Alright. Now you can put it back, and should be also easy. Just exactly the same way you start with. Let's start with the same order. Okay, it's good. Alright, now we put the battery back, and we can test it to see if it's working. Alright, there we go. Yep, it's booting now. There. Alright, now we have a successful boot. It's taken some time because it's the first time, probably. There are some changes that I'll be making on the using the Samsung Magician tool. You need to change some options and for Windows to make full use of your SSD using this tool, Samsung Magician application. Okay. Alright, that's about it. If you want to, I'm gonna restart and see how fast it restarts. It's taking some time, but it's faster, definitely faster than the older drive. Yep, it's fast. I don't know, it was less than 10 seconds, I think. Yep. I put the wrong password. Yeah. Yep, that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope you will make use of this video and have a good day. Thanks.